Every month, a new chapter unfolds at Chandigarh University. Some stories inspire, some innovate, and some reminds us why we do what we do. Here's what July looked like through our lenses. Began by celebrating potential, as Scholar Summit Phase 2 turned achievements into opportunities through scholarships. Curiosity reached new heights at the KCC Summer Internship, where students explored satellites, drones, and the technology shaping tomorrow. Important conversation followed at the Immigration Law Dialogue, proving that learning extends far beyond classrooms. Then came a new beginning. Freshmen Orientation welcomed a new family to Chandigarh University, ending each day with the colors, music, and energy of the cultural carnival. July also brought together brilliant academic minds from across the globe through the International Faculty Development Program. Between it all, we celebrated the little moments that make campus life special, from Chocolate Day and Emoji Day to Chess Day, Self-Care Day, Guru Purnima, and Kargil Vijay Divas. We honored the vision behind Chandigarh University on Foundation Day and ended the month with stories that mattered, as Voice Against Child Trafficking reminded us that education begins with empathy. This was Chapter July from our lenses. Stay tuned as we write the next one.